Hello everyone, right here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about WICA, Workman Injury Compensation Act, and what is it? Workman Injury Compensation Act is an act that's been passed by the Parliament through law of Singapore that require all employees to be covered under the Workman Comp as long as they are working for an employer. Employer have to purchase this insurance to cover them. So this insurance is to cover them in any event if this employee were to get injured during work, and Workman Comp can cover this claim made by the employee. And who is required to be covered under this act? Okay, this act covers both local and foreign employee as long they are doing manual work. Manual work means the non-white collar, those people who work in office. These are white collar, and so the non-white collar are people who does with any machinery, say a cleaner does manual work, say someone who operate a machine like a car, a driver, or electrician. All these are manual worker. All these manual worker has to be covered under the Workman Comp, irregardless of the salary they earn. And so the other portion is talking about for non-manual worker, the threshold has been rose from initially from $1,600 before 1st April 2020 to now currently April 1st 2021, $2,600, meaning that any employee who is a non-manual worker who earns more than 2,600, employer do not have to buy Workman Comp for them. However, for any non-manual worker, non-manual employee who earns less than 2,600, all employer must buy Workman Comp for them. And this is mandated by law that all employers have to buy this insurance for them. And what is, what happens if you fail to comply? Actually, I have get to meet this incident that MOM disallow new application of work permit for foreigner, and also disallow the company to renew their permit even till the very last 2 weeks and 1 week. MOM have yet to get back to the employer in regards to whether can the employer still renew and keep their work permit of their foreigners. So this is something that will be impact to the business if employer do not comply in buying sufficient Workman Comp for their employee. And make sure, employer, you have to buy the correct number of insurance coverage for your staff. Example, you have 10 staff, you have to buy 10 Workman Comp for this staff. Subject, of course, just now whatever condition I've mentioned earlier, that applies. So do not under declare your employee to MOM and under purchase the Workman Comp. MOM will be able to check on this through CPF and through various ways of interviewing with your employee. So with all this being said, I believe I have covered on what is Workman Comp and what are the downside or say penalty that you might face when you do not comply under this act. And of course, I have not talked about penalty can go as much as hefty fine and also imprisonment to the employer. Okay, with all being said, I have thank you all for watching, and please do help share, like and subscribe to the channel, and wish you all have a good one. Goodbye.